Hey guys, welcome back. For those of you that do not know me, my name is Cynthia. So as you can tell by the title of this video, I am doing an unboxing for Skinny Bunny tea. Now, just to throw this out there, like to start off with, let's just say, when I first ordered this product, it took forever for it to get here. I can tell you exactly what everything happened. Originally, I placed my order January 5th. It wasn't until January 17th till I got an email saying that it has shipped out. I contacted them several times to say, hey, where's my package? Like, is that on back order? Is something out of order? Do I need to pick something else? I contacted them, I emailed them 3 different times, and I called them 3 different times. And it wasn't until like the 3rd email I finally got an answer back, and like it was in my spam for some reason. And it wasn't until the 3rd email until I heard something back. And then the next day, like whoever wrote the email said that their apologies, that something was on back order and they're waiting for it to show up. And then the very next day I get an order shipped confirmation email. And then it didn't take until today's the 23rd. It wasn't shipped out until the 17th, and then today is the 23rd. So it took a really long time to get here, almost a month. So I suggest if you plan on ordering from them, plan on it being a while, especially if they're doing one of their sales. I bought everything for $50. It's their starter kit or something like that. I'll open the package here in a second, and I'll show you everything that comes in it. But plan in advance for it to take some time. It was kind of stressful because they took the money first, and then it took so long for it to be shipped out, and then I had to contact them and everything. So just keep that in mind when ordering from them. I just got the package today, and now just looking at the package, I mean, they didn't really put a whole lot of effort into picking out their boxes. It looked extremely cheap. Mine came dented, very well dented, and the bottom of the box looked like it broke, and I'm not sure who taped it. I'm not sure if the company did or my mailman did, but there's a wide gaping hole right here. I can stick my hand almost in here, and then I got a massive hole here, and I can yeah. So I'm not sure who taped it back up. I want to say it was the post office, but I don't know if it was just a crappy box they had and they wanted to ship it out because I was bugging them all the time about where my package is. But they should have sent me an email saying it was on back order, so. Also, I apologize in advance if I look really, really grungy. I literally just got home from work, so. Now, I ordered the $50. Let me see. What? This isn't right. Where is it? Yep, okay. I see what they did. Alright, because normally what they advertise it as is like your tea comes in a big bottle, and it looks like they just sent it in this. They said it was supposed to be for 28 days, and they just send 214 of each because you get an AM and a PM. I'll explain that in a second, but it looks kind of weird. Must be they just wanted to ship it out and get it out or whatever, because I don't know. They didn't charge me anymore, so as long as it was the same price. So on the package order, it says 1 Skinny Bunny water bottle. Say that 5 times fast. Clear. And then I get 2 of the AM tea, the raspberry peach, and then 2 of the tropical peon tea, 2 of those, and 1 skinny weight loss AM pill. So I got, oh, that's coming off, I guess. So I got a water bottle. Not a sticker, but it looks like it, just the way it's put on. So I got a clear water bottle. I got 2 of the AM teas for 14 days, but 2 and 2 make 28. And then I got it. Let me check the flavor. It is raspberry peach. Okay. And then I got 2 of the PM, 14 each, making it 28 in the tropical chamomile tea. And it says that it's 14 pyramid tea bags, so I'm assuming they're not loose leaf. I thought they were loose leaf tea, but it must be they're in tea bags. And then you get the 28-day weight loss AM pills. It's basically like your cup of coffee in a pill, I'm assuming. But there's 28 capsules of that. It does say dietary supplement. And stuff like that. So everything is here that I ordered. This is $50 worth of stuff. So you get the 2 AM PM, you get the weight loss AM, and then you get the clear water bottle to do your detox drinks in, and you can also do cold brew drinks in here. I'm assuming I probably want to put hot in here just because it's plastic. Now, good thing everything was in there, because I was kind of worried because the box looked like it broke open or something and someone had to tape it back together. But I am going to say this. I already work out and everything. I run on the treadmill and I do some other exercises. And it says clearly on here, it says several times on their website that you will only see results if you have a clean diet, a healthy diet, or something like that, and you exercise also. That's the only way you're going to see results with this. I've seen it on their Instagram, like people post or whatever, and they say at the bottom that you only see results. At the bottom of the picture, it'll say you only see results if you have a clean diet, and you also exercise. And also, what else I got with it, I forgot to mention, I'm sorry. They send you 3 types of download PDF things. One is for a diet plan, not a diet plan, but just like a menu basically of like what you should eat, like what's clean eats, what's good eats, and everything like that. So basically a diet plan, yeah. And then you get another detox one. You get like a 28-day diet plan, 28-day detox drink menu, and then you also get a workout thing that's kind of like day-to-day, like what workout you should work on, what you should focus on this day, and then what you should eat and drink, what your detox drink should be, what your daily menu should be. So that's kind of neat. So you also get that for $50 also. I've been doing the detox drinks. I've been doing like regular water with like strawberries, and like I'll do fruit, I'll do like cantaloupe, mango, stuff like that. And actually, like, I've dropped the pop. Like, I've been drinking a lot of pop before, but as soon as I did that, I got the stuff from them. I started doing that, and I have seen a result just in that. Like, I run on the treadmill, I do that almost every single day. Like, I try to do it daily, you know, like, it's just hard, but I do that. And like, I was at 156 pounds and I'm already down to 151 in just that period of time, like from when I ordered it, because like the day after I started the drinks, the detox drinks, and then like to this day, like I weighed myself yesterday and I said 151. So I've already lost 5 pounds just by drinking just the water and cutting out the pop, cutting out like the caffeine. I drink tea in the morning to begin with, so that's just another thing. So I'm not taking in as many sugars as I would with my cup of coffee that I normally drink, and like the tea helps. It gives you a little bit of caffeine, but it doesn't give you as much as you're used to. So it takes a while to adapt and to learn, retrain your body, relearn, you know, just retrain your brain. Keep that in mind also. Once again, like they say, you will not see results with this unless you do like how they show you. They'll give you like a step-by-step thing, like they'll explain everything to you, like what's clean eats, what's dirty eats, what you should have and what you shouldn't have. And like as long as you keep doing that and like working out like a daily basis, even if it's like for 15 minutes, like 15 minutes counts, like just as long as you have your heart rate up and everything like that. But like I'm not an expert on this. Like this is what I've learned for myself, because I used to work out and I've run way back in high school. But do keep in mind that you have to have like a clean diet, and you have to work out, and you have to keep like kind of to the schedule that they want you to do, like just the eating schedule, the drinking schedule, and everything like that. So just keep that in mind when you try this. I would love to take you guys along with my journey to see like what else weight I can lose. So I believe that now that I finally officially got the tea and stuff, I'm going to like do like a weekly log or something like that. Like today's Tuesday, so I think I'm going to start tomorrow on Wednesday. It'll be the 24th, and then I'll check back in on Monday. I'll record Monday, see if I've like lost any more weight, how I feel, how it makes me feel, like if I feel like groggy or anything like that, or like it's just too much caffeine. But I will check back in, I will keep updates, and then I will post another video at the end of my 28 days. Like I'll log weekly, I'll log like Monday or Sunday or something like that, and then like at the end of the 28 days, like I'll do like a complete like overall like how much weight I've lost, like how I feel, and everything like that, and I will post that at the end of the 28 days. So if you want to see how that goes, just give me 28 days and I'll let you know. But other than that, I believe that's it. But do keep in mind, like everything that I said, like what you have to do on your end, that's the only way you're going to see results. And it's the only way to see results to begin with. Cut out sugars and pop and everything like that, and you work out on like a normal basis, like almost just every single daily basis. I try to work out 5 days a week. They say as long as you work out 5 days a week, and the other 2, don't make those both cheat days. Like just maybe make one day a cheat day, but don't like overindulge or anything, or you're still not going to see results. Like the whole thing is just like you have to learn everything. Like take the time to learn if you really want to lose the weight and stuff like that. But that's all I know. Remember, I'm not an expert or anything like that, so just keep that in mind. And also I will do a weekly log, and I will post it once my 28 days are up, and I will tell you if I think it was worth the $50, and stuff like that. So keep an eye out on that video. Yeah. And if there's anything else I forget to add, I will other videos, other weekly logs that I'll do, and then I'll upload it all at once. Unless I like majorly forget to say something, and then I'll upload it right away or something like that. But other than that, just take what I've said into consideration, and it might help you. So yeah, thanks. Bye.